Do I need antivirus software for my tablet, iPad, Kindle, Fire, Nook, etc.? That's a very good question. Well, on Kindles and small devices like that, there is a very good one that I would recommend. It's you can get it on Android devices also, and you can go to lookout.com, www.lookout.com. Another question is, does my laptop need me to add more memory to it? And if it does, how much memory should I get? That's another good question. I'm going to be answering that question in a minute. Hello, I'm Mike Locascio, and I help people with their computers and maintain their computers. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I bring videos to you every couple days that'll help you maintain your computer. So let's get started. Yes, you need antivirus program. Like I said, Android comes out with a good one, which is lookout.com, and you could download that. That's free. That's available for iPad, Amazon, Kindles, Fire, and devices like that. And that'll help you keep viruses off your device. Also, the way to find out if you need more memory is you can check your computer for that information. If your computer's running slow and everything else seems to be okay, you might want to add memory to it. You can call up, or you can go to Crucial.com. Crucial.com has a memory test. You can download the file, and it will tell you how much memory you have in your computer and what you need, or how much max you can put in your computer, because there's a limit to every computer how much you can put in. Or you could just call them, do a search for Crucial.com, and they'll be able to help you out. They're a company that I've been dealing with a lot over the years, and that's spelled Crucial. You can go to their website, and they have RAM for Windows 7, Windows 8, and all different computers. Usually 4 gigs of RAM is good enough, but if you want to add more, you can, and that'll speed up your computer if your computer's running sluggish. 16 gigs of memory is like the highest, and that if you're doing like gaming and stuff like that, then you can go to 16 gigs. That'll make your computer run a lot faster. Another question is, how about laptop batteries? How long is my laptop battery's not charging, or it's dying? What you do on a laptop is, usually laptop batteries, replacement batteries, last about 18 months to 24 months. So if your laptop battery's not really charging that good after that amount of time, I would say, you need to get another one. You can get a replacement one for probably around $10. They're pretty cheap. You go to eBay or Amazon and type in the brand of your laptop and the model number, and you can get a battery for that. And that will get you charging again. As long as your charger's okay and your battery's just not charging, I would say, replace that battery and get yourself another one. And that'll do the trick. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe. Also, please like the video. And what kind of questions do you have about your computer situation or computer repair in general? Leave a comment on the bottom, and I'll answer that for you. What kind of videos would you like to see on computer repair? That's another question I have for you. Let me know, and I will make a video on that subject for you. that will help you with your computer needs. Again, this is Michael Acasio, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.